Ever feel like crafting an essay is as complex as Willy Wonka's chocolate factory? Well, grab your golden ticket and let's unwrap the sweet layers of an essay in 60 seconds. Essays have three scrumptious parts, beginning with the introduction. This is where you hook your reader's attention like a shiny wrapper on a candy bar before giving a brief overview and tying it up with a strong thesis statement. In the body, you dive into the delicious details, explaining your main points like different flavors in a chocolate box with details and evidence. And in the conclusion, remind the reader of the main points and leave them with something to think about to wrap it all up like a perfect bar of chocolate. And there you have it. You've just built an essay that's as magical and exciting as Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. If you had a blast learning about the parts of an essay in 60 seconds, smash that like button and subscribe for more shorts and more writing fun.